Imagine a factory built not on Earth, but on the Moon. It sounds like science fiction, but this idea could become part of humanity's future. Elon Musk has discussed a future where advanced robots could build and operate industrial facilities directly on the lunar surface. Instead of sending huge numbers of workers into this harsh environment, robots could perform many of the dangerous and repetitive jobs. They could prepare the lunar surface, construct buildings, install equipment, and gradually create an entire industrial base. Solar power could provide the energy needed to operate these machines, keeping the lunar factory running for long periods of time. One of the most important jobs would be mining the moon itself, collecting useful materials hidden inside its rocks and soil. Those raw materials could then be processed and transformed into resources needed for construction and advanced manufacturing. Eventually, these factories could manufacture tools, machine parts, and even spacecraft components directly on the moon. And when machines break, other robots could inspect them, repair them, and put them straight back to work. With artificial intelligence and automation, much of the entire operation could eventually run with very little human intervention. Humans could still be there for research, exploration, and supervision, while robots handle the heavy industrial work. And the moon has one major advantage. Its gravity is far weaker than Earth's, making it easier to move certain materials into space. Materials produced on the moon could potentially be transported to orbital stations and other destinations across space. If this technology becomes economically practical, the possibilities could be enormous, creating an entirely new space-based economy. Musk has suggested that the long-term space economy could potentially become vastly larger than today's economy on Earth. And once industry exists beyond Earth, the moon could become a stepping stone toward Mars, asteroids, and the rest of the solar system. The moon could eventually become more than a place humans visit. It could become a center for manufacturing, research, energy, and transportation. The biggest question is no longer whether humanity can reach the moon. It's whether we can build our future there. And perhaps the next great factory won't be on Earth at all. It could be on the moon.